To screen record on the Z Flip 6, first swipe down from the top of the screen twice, then select the screen recorder option. It will say start recording. Under record sounds, if you set this to none, no sounds are recorded. If you set this to media, your system sounds like keyboard typing, video playing are recorded. Media and mic includes that, and also you speaking. Show taps and touches will show your taps and touches. So tap start recording when you're ready, and then after the countdown, everything you do is recorded. This bar here is not in the recording. This pencil allows you to annotate on your recording. This icon here uses the front camera, so you have a selfie cam. You have the pause and stop. You can tap the arrow to hide the bar, and you can swipe left to reveal it. Once the recording has stopped, it will be saved to your gallery under the albums, and then go to your screen recordings.